Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Guttering UK. Firstly, determine the length of the guttering needed and ideally place the downpipes at the lowest points, leading water to a drain or soak away. Gutters should have a slight slope toward the downpipe to ensure proper water flow. So, install brackets every 600 millimeters and use a spirit, level, and chalk line to create a slope toward the downpipe. Secure the highest bracket near the roof edge using screws and roll plugs, and place the lowest bracket where the downpipe will be. Finally, space them evenly along with the chalk line. Use a hacksaw to cut the gutter sections if necessary, and most UK guttering systems use a clip-on mechanism. Ensure a 5 to 10 mm expansion gap at each joint for temperature changes, and if using metal or sealed guttering, apply waterproof sealant at the connection. Connect the gutter to a downpipe outlet where water fix downpipe brackets. Space downpipe clips every 1.5 meters to keep the pipe secure, and use bends or offsets to align with the drain, then secure the pipe with brackets. Check that the water flows smoothly towards the downpipe, and if water pools in sections, slightly reposition at the brackets for better angle and apply sealant for any small leaks at the joints. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.